If you really want to escape the things that harass you, what you're needing is not to be in a different place, but to be a different person. People who know no self-restraint lead stormy and disordered lives, passing their time in a state of fear, commensurate with the injuries they do to others. Never able to relax when a mind is impressionable and has none too firm a hold on what is right, it must be rescued from the crowd. It is so easy for it to go over to the majority. Withdraw into yourself as far as you can associate with those who will make a better man of you. Welcome those whom you yourself can improve. The process is mutual for men. Learn while they teach. Wild animals run from the dangers they actually see, and once they have escaped them, worry no more. We, however, are tormented alike by what is past and what is to come. A number of our blessings do us harm. For memory brings back the agony of fear, while foresight brings it on prematurely. No one confines his unhappiness to the present, for the only safe harbor in this life's tossing, troubled sea is to refuse to be bothered about what the future will bring, and to stand ready in confidence, squaring the breast to take without skulking or flinching whatever fortune hurls at us. We die to each other daily. What we know of other people is only our memory of the moments during which we knew them, and they have changed since then. To pretend that they and we are the same is a useful and convenient social convention which must sometimes be broken. We must also remember that at every meeting, we are meeting a stranger. It is our destiny to live with the wrong as well as the right kind of citizens, and to learn from them, the wrong-minded ones, as much or more as from others. If we have not yet succeeded after how many centuries in eliminating from life the elements which plague us, perhaps we need to question life more closely. Perhaps our refusal to face reality is the only ill we suffer from, and all the rest but illusion, delusion.